If you don't believe me, Google it. Most people think science and religion disagree. But here are some shocking, real facts that show how Islam mentions scientific truths over 1,400 years before modern discovery. Fact 1. The universe is expanding. Cosmologists discovered this only in 1929, but the Qur'an described it clearly. We built the universe with power, and we are expanding it. How could anyone in the desert know that galaxies move apart at thousands of kilometers per second? Fact 2. Every living thing is made of water. Biology proved this in the last century. The Qur'an said, "We made every living thing from water. Humans, animals, plants, all depend on H2O at the cellular level." This was stated long before microscopes existed. Fact 3. Mountains act like stabilizing pegs. Geology now confirms mountains have deep roots that stabilize tectonic plates. The Qur'an called mountains pegs that prevent the earth from shaking excessively. Ancient humans had no way to know what was beneath the Earth's crust. Fact 4. Human embryos develop in 3 layers. Modern medical science discovered that the embryo forms in 3 stages within the womb. The Qur'an described this exact process, created you in stages, one after another, in 3 veils of darkness. How could anyone know about embryology without medical tools? Fact 5. Iron came from outer space. Scientists discovered that the iron on Earth came from meteorites. The Qur'an says iron was sent down, literally describing a cosmic origin, not an earthly one. Fact 6. The barrier between saltwater and freshwater. Oceanographers discovered natural barriers preventing waters from mixing. The Qur'an mentioned this phenomenon over 1,000 years earlier. He set a barrier between the 2 seas that they do not transgress. These are not opinions. These are verifiable scientific discoveries that match what the Qur'an said centuries earlier. Is this coincidence or something greater? If you want to understand the universe, study science. But if you want to understand why the universe exists, study the Qur'an. Stay curious, because the truth is always deeper than we think.